Hello, my third grade readers. We are going to be reading a nonfiction text about bobcats. Use your text features and let's look at this beautiful bobcat. All right, so now you have a picture in your mind about what we are going to be learning about today. Please follow along as I read. Bobcats are the most common wild cat in North America, and they are often confused with mountain lions, lynx, and cheetahs. They are smaller than other wild cats, but twice the size of a house cat. So they are 2 times bigger than our normal cats that we have as pets. Bobcats are found in most parts of the United States. They live in forests, swamps, desert areas, and around farmland. They make dens in caves, hollow logs and trees, and rocky areas. They are able to live in many different habitats because they are willing to eat a variety of prey. That means they'll eat a lot of different things. Bobcats are excellent hunters. They follow their prey quietly, then leap and catch their meal. They eat most mammals, including rabbits, beavers, mice, and deer. They will also eat birds, reptiles, and insects. Bobcats are nocturnal, which means that they are active mainly at night in the dark. We've been reading about some other nocturnal animals, haven't we? Predators of the bobcat are cougars, wolves, and humans who take their habitats and land. Bobcats are named after their 4 to 7-inch bobbed, which means short, tail. They have yellowish or reddish brown coats that look gray in winter. All right, you're going to need your coloring instruments, colored pencils or crayons so you can underline the text evidence. You're going to need red, blue, yellow, green, and orange. First question, how does a bobcat's size compare to a house cat? So you're going to need to find that up in your text and underline it in red, and then answer in a complete sentence. A bobcat's size compares to a house cat because a house, let's take that over. A bobcat is about blank the size of a house cat, period. That's a better way to make it in a complete sentence. Okay, in blue, you need to find text evidence that tells why can bobcats live in many different habitats. Oh, I remember. Go find out, reread to find out why bobcats can live in many different habitats. Habitats is the place that they live, so they can live in lots of different places. And answer in a complete sentence. Bobcats can live in many different habitats because blah, 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 period. In yellow, you're going to need to find out this bolded word here, nocturnal. Bolded here because it's important. What does nocturnal mean? Nocturnal means blah, 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 period. Then we have to list the main predators of bobcats. That means predators are hunting the bobcat, or maybe they're predators because they're taking something away from them. And when we list in a complete sentence. We say the main predators of bobcats are blah, 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 and blah, blah, blah. And remember, when you list, you're putting a comma in between the different things that you're listing. Okay? And how did bobcats get their name? I think that was a cute reason why. And you can see it up here. It's not like a regular cattail, is it? Okay, bobcats get their name from blah, 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 period. Okay, and underline that text evidence in orange. All right, you are one animal smarter now. You know a lot more about bobcats than a lot of people.